In this video, I will show you how to play Clash of Critters on PC. So even though Clash of Critters is an Android-based game, it's absolutely possible to play this on PC or even a Mac using something called the BlueStacks app player. BlueStacks is an Android emulator, so what that allows you to do is play Android games on your PC or Mac. And to get started, if you come below this video, in the video description, you're going to find a link which is going to take you to a website like this. Now, from here, what you want to do is click the blue button here, which says Play Clash of Critters on PC. And what that's going to do is download the BlueStacks installer onto your computer. Once it's downloaded, give it a click. And then what you can do is run through the steps to install BlueStacks on your PC or Mac. Once BlueStacks has finished downloading and installing, it's automatically going to open up, and because you've clicked the link, it's going to take you directly to the installation page for Clash of Critters. At this point, all you need to do is click the Install from Google Play button, and once you've done that, it's going to take you across to the install page. From here, click the blue install button, and what that's going to do is download and install Clash of Critters, so you can start to play that using BlueStacks on your PC or Mac. Once the game has finished downloading and installing, it's automatically going to launch on BlueStacks. And what I'm going to do is just jump into the game so you can see how this plays on BlueStacks and why I personally use it and would recommend it to play Android games on your PC or Mac. So here we are in game, and as you can see, the game actually runs really smooth. The opening animations are very sharp and there's no lag or anything like that. So I'm just going to click on to continue and jump into the game itself. Now with BlueStacks, the keyboard and mouse is already mapped into the games, and if you want to find out the controls, you just simply need to click onto the keyboard icon over here where it says Game Controls, and you can toggle the on-screen controls so you know what does what. But basically I can just click with my mouse to skip past all this, as you can see, and you can see even the gameplay itself just how well this plays with BlueStacks. Of course, playing on PC just gives you a much better, more immersive experience playing on a much larger screen, but that's a quick overview on how to play Clash of Critters on PC. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more gaming and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.